Hi everyone. For my social media, I decided to try Google Hangouts, and this is the home page for it. As you can see here, this is my name and my picture. If you look over here, you can basically share a status, which is very similar to Facebook, and you can put text, you can add photos, you can upload a link, a video of an event, or create a poll. It's kind of like a combination of Facebook and a few other social media um, websites, because you can join different communities here like Google Classroom, Google Apps for Education, and it gives you trending things, which is similar to Twitter, and you can follow people that you may know and you can add them to your circle. If you want to add somebody, you click on their name and it asks you to add them to your friends, family, acquaintances, following, or you can create a new circle. And the circle is kind of like a group chat. If you go to my profile here, you can see you have a picture. I've been looked at. People can view your profile, and that has been viewed 2,148 times. And you can also create a cover page, which I put of my own personal picture of a trip to Jamaica that I had. Here it will place all of your statuses, so I can write one here. Getting the hang of Google Hangouts. And then you can share it. And you can make it visible to anyone, or you can make it visible, you can disable comments or disable reshares, and it also, you can browse people and share it for specific people. So I'm going to share that, and it should come up in a few minutes. One of my concerns, so it's kind of like Twitter here. One of my concerns is that it asks you to add a location and show where you are, which would be an issue if I use this in my classroom. And if you go to your About page, it has sort of like a Facebook page, and it tells you people in your circles. You can talk about yourself, an introduction, bragging rights, as they say, communities that you belong to, where you went to school, contact information, basic information about yourself, your work, links, and places that you've been. I think, and over here in the corner you can add the people, and then this is where you can message people as well and create your views. It's very scary that you can put where you are on here. I think that's a very major concern if I were to use this in the classroom. From what I can tell, you can only talk to people that add you and you accept them, and then you can contact them through messaging and video chat through Google Hangout. And I would use this in the classroom to kind of create a community with a school that is maybe out of state. A friend of mine just got a 4th grade position as well in a school in New Jersey, and we have been talking about becoming pen pals, and I think that this would be a great way of communicating as a class, and we can put it up on our smartboard, and she can put it on hers if she has one as well. And as a class, we can talk back and forth about maybe things that we're learning, or teach each other something if we do an experiment that maybe they would find interesting. I can also see this being used as homework help. If we could create somehow a just for our class, and kids can go on and comment, talk to each other about what's going on in school, as well as get help on homework. When you go back to the home page, one concern that I might have is that it suggests what you might like. and it also tells you things that might not be appropriate for school. So that would be my one concern, as well as the ability to add locations. I think that this is a great social media site that I've never used before, and it would be very interesting to see how well it works in the classroom.